The Safetots no screw stair gate is a pressure fit stair gate which on its own fits from 73.5 centimetres to 79.6 centimetres. This can be extended to 119.3 centimetres with additional extensions. When you receive the product, you'll get the gate, and you also get a fittings box and an instruction set, and the fittings box will contain 4 insert bungs, a spanner, 4 spindles, 2 for the top and 2 for the bottom. To fit the gate, we take the 4 insert bungs and slot them into the frame in the 4 corners. 2 on each side, 1 at the top and 1 on the bottom. We then take the 4 spindles and we put those into the gate. It's quite handy to wind the nuts further into the edge of the spindle, as when we fit the gate we'll be winding them out. So the ones with the half moons we stick at the bottom, 1 on each side, and then the 2 full moons you stick at the top, 1 on each side. The next stage of fitting is you put the gate into the position with inside the frame. Now we're using a frame here, the front and back edge of the frame, to fit our gate. When you're fitting this inside your own home, it's worth measuring and using a spirit level to ensure that the gate is straight where you want it to be fitted. Once the gate's loosely in position, you'll then start tightening up the nuts by hand where you can, and then finishing off using the spanner. And we're trying to achieve an equal distance between the nut and the frame on all 4 sides. You'll notice on the gate that there are 2 red pressure indicators, one where the handle meets the frame and one on this corner here where the spindle goes into the frame. We start by tightening up this nut until the red indicator disappears. This means there's adequate pressure holding the gate into the frame, and then we finish by tightening this nut up here to make this red marker disappear. As we finish in tightening this nut, you'll see that the red indicator is no longer visible. To complete the process, we tighten the nut here, and the final adjustments will ensure that the red indicator is no longer visible, which means that the gate is now correctly fitted. To open the gate, we simply press the button, raise the handle, and you'll be lifting the gate out of the frame and opening it. This will enable you to be able to walk through. And to close the gate, you do the return process. You raise it slightly, drop it into position, push the handle down, and when you hear the click, the gate is secure.